Ever wondered how to make a delicious vegetarian Thai red curry at home? The kind that's creamy, spicy, tangy, and just downright scrumptious? Well, wonder no more. Today, unravel the secrets of this delectable dish, straight from the heart of Thailand to your kitchen. Start by gathering fresh ingredients. Remember, the fresher the ingredients, the more robust the flavors. You'll need 2 cups of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of red curry paste, 1 cup of diced tofu, 1 red bell pepper sliced thin, 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, half a cup of diced zucchini, half a cup of diced carrots, and a handful of fresh basil leaves. Now heat a large pan over medium heat. Pour in 1 cup of coconut milk and stir in the red curry paste. Whisk them together until the paste dissolves completely. This forms the base of your curry, setting the stage for a symphony of flavors. Next, add the tofu to the pan. Cook it until it's golden and crispy on all sides. This might take about 5 to 7 minutes. The tofu will soak up the flavors of the curry, becoming little pockets of deliciousness. Then, it's time for the vegetables. Stir in the bell pepper, mushrooms, zucchini, and carrots. Sauté these until they're just tender, which should take about 10 minutes. The vegetables add color, texture, and a healthful boost to the curry. Pour in the remaining coconut milk. Stir everything together, letting the flavors meld. Let this simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the vegetables are cooked to your liking. Finally, tear up the basil leaves and sprinkle them on top. The fresh basil adds a pop of color and a touch of aromatic freshness that completes the dish. And there you have it, a mouthwatering vegetarian Thai red curry, bursting with flavors, ready to be served with hot steamed rice or noodles. To recap, start by making a base with coconut milk and red curry paste. Add crispy tofu and a medley of vegetables. Simmer everything together in coconut milk, and finish off with fresh basil leaves. This dish is not only a feast for the palate, but also for the eyes, with its vibrant colors and texture. It's a testament to the fact that vegetarian food can be just as flavorful and satisfying as its meaty counterparts. So go ahead, give this recipe a try. Bring the exotic flavors of Thailand to your table with this vegetarian Thai red curry. It's a culinary journey worth taking,